Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Prime in CS2 or Counter-Strike 2. I'm making this because a lot of players are still confused about how it works and whether it's actually worth it. Prime can improve your matchmaking experience and unlock extra benefits. So let's get started. First, open your Steam client. Make sure you're logged in into the correct account. On the search field, just look for Counter-Strike 2, select CS2. Now scroll down and you will see Buy Prime Status Upgrade. So you can read everything about here, but go ahead, add to cart, view my cart, and you can now continue with the payment and also make sure you're aware of the price. And once you successfully confirmed and completed the payment process, go ahead. Steam will automatically download any additional features to add the Prime into your account. And go to your account, place CS2. It should now be showing up in your account that you have Prime enabled on your left side. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.